Well, I've been at NASA for more than 25 years, and I've been in many positions. In this current position, I am basically the liaison between programs and the engineering directorate. When I started out, I was a design engineer, and I became a technical project engineer, which we refer to as TPEs. Those are now what you would call a systems engineer. And from there, I became a project manager to branch management. To now, I actually was worked in the director's office as chief of staff, and now as acting associate director. Well, I've been very fortunate to receive a great deal of leadership training through the APPEL program, through the NASA agency with the Federal Executive Institute, and I have developed more than just the technical side of, being at my discipline is mechanical engineering, and the leadership piece covers a multitude of things, including human capital, safety, mission assurance, all of the things that you might think of that are non-technical, but that are extremely important to the leadership. It's very important at this stage of my career that I not have what I refer to as worm vision. And that concept where you put a worm on a flower pot and there's plenty of food in the flower pot, and it continues to go around the rim and it eventually dies. So you have to know that you've got to get off of the rim, and you actually have to go out and seek knowledge from others and get out of that internal environment. The importance of project management and system engineering and how they kind of merge together. If you're a really good system engineer, it's difficult not to become a project manager because you're crossing all disciplines and you're managing not just people but resources. With leadership, it involves being able to influence where you really don't have any power. It's very important that you have formal training, on-the-job training, and you need to have mentorship. Sometimes you'll get the most interesting advice. You may not use it at that time, but it is very helpful for what you're looking at for your future. Don't look at it as a sprint. Look at your future, your career, as a marathon. I'm Junilla Applin, the Acting Associate Director for Flight Systems and the Engineering Directorate.